Love you all, Libra. This is your daily relationship message for you, Libra. And the relationship card says round and round. And let's see what's in for your relationship message, Libra. Are you wondering how did I get here again? Does something feel familiar right now in your dynamics with others? Maybe a little too familiar. Don't be surprised that you have found yourself repeating an old story with the same sort of person who may not look similar but who attracted you because of your easy acquaintance with his or her qualities. Your relationship is a mix of what is good and what is potentially challenging. You have been drawn to this person through the person protection of Spirit's plan for your revelation. You may have circled back to an accustomed spot, a familiar place, but that's fine as you get to do things again, only differently this time. For you learn something of great value since the last time around. How will you choose to behave now that you are aware? Remain curious and stay out of the blame game. And this is your relationship message for you, Libra. I'll be doing a pick a card reading after this, Libra. Watch out for the pick a card reading. I'll see you all tomorrow with another relationship message. Libra, bye. Love you all. Take care.
For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first deck and this is the second deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and I will be picking 3 cards from each deck. So let's start with the first deck. I will start after a few seconds of silence. So you need to close your eyes, think of the questions, and open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So let's start the reading now, guys. Let's start with the first deck. I will keep this card aside. I'll be picking 3 cards, guys, from this deck. It's High Priestess, 9 of Water, Ace of Water. I hope you can see the cards clearly. With these cards, I see that in this connection, guys, you have that sweetness, understanding, and you are enjoying this connection with this person. And the same way, this person is also finding joy and contentment when they are with you, and your wishes are being fulfilled. You have that satisfaction and joy because of that, because of the way this relationship is proceeding. And this love is that unconditional love, guys, that beautiful love you have for each other. You do not have that expectations, or expectations are not abstracting anything in this connection, guys. You are enjoying this day with this person, or enjoying this relationship with this person, and maybe your intuition is guiding you. For some of you, you may your intuition may be guiding you towards this person, towards that beautiful relationship, towards that loving relationship with this person. So if you have something guiding you, intuition telling you to go towards this person, and if it is true love, you can go forward. And with these positive cards here for your relationship, guys, I see that this is a positive working relationship, and you are having that love, understanding, mutual love, respect, and caring for each other. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. For those who have chosen this card, the first deck, this love is unconditional. That is what I see, guys. Let us see what are the cards with the other deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. So let's start with the second card. For those who have chosen this deck, let's see what are the cards. I'll be picking 3 cards again from this deck, guys. So this is the first card, the Star in reverse, 2 of Spheres in reverse, and Fortitude. With these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck for your relationship, I see that you are getting some important communication today. Maybe it may be a written communication, email, or a postcard. Maybe for some of you it may be proposing their love for you, but for some of you it may be something bad. But I see that it may not be a good news, guys. It may be something bad for you. So this person may break up, or it may be some kind of a separation that you may be seeing. And in this relationship, because of the way this person is, or because of the way you are, that stubbornness and rigidity, this relationship may not be working, guys, and you have that disappointment in your heart. You don't know what you need to do today, but you are a very courageous person. You have that skill and talent, and you are very strong at heart. That may be the reason that you are holding yourself in this tough situation today, guys. So I also see that you are maybe for some of you, you may feel that is this connection was some kind of a bad luck for you. It was not working well, and even for some of you, things may not be going well in your career situation also because of this connection, or because of that emotional stress that you have in this connection, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. For those who chose this deck, this connection may not be the one for you, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, and that is a reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.